Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to do a video on rounding to the next 5 if it's within 2. So, alright, I could say that 100 times, but let's just show you what I'm talking about. For I in range, let's do 10, 100, to let's do 86, 6, print I. Alright, so this is what I'm talking about. So if the grade, because let's say you have a teacher and if you're within 2, they'll round up to the next 5, not the whole grade. So alright, picture's worth 1,000 words. If you have a 98 or a 99, we'll round it up to 100. If you have a 94 or a 93, we'll round to a 95. If you have an 89 or an 88, we'll round up to a 90. So on or so forth. Every other grade will stay the same. So this is going to be a pretty good exercise. So we are going to go through this bit by bit. So how in the world would we do that? So we don't need this anymore. So let's comment that out. So let's think about this. Are we going to go through and just have us have every single scenario, or do we want to come up with an algorithm that would do this? So let's think about how because the long way is, we could say if it was in between this number, round up. If it's in between these numbers, round up. But that would be very tedious. We would have to have, what? Is that 10 or is that 20 different scenarios? But that is not thinking very much about what our problem is now, is it? So really, we have 2 conditions. If it's within 1 or if it's within 2 of the next 5. So what do we know? What do we know about rounding? What's rounding? If a criteria of remainder, right? So what do we know about remainders? How do we get remainders? If you haven't watched Modulo, stop here and go watch Modulo. So okay. So we're getting close. So we're going to break this up into 3 videos. We're going to stop here in a second. So let's see. We're going to go this step by step. So 99 divided by 5 is going to have a remainder of 4. 98 going to have a remainder of 3. And then so that's that criteria. 3 and 4. And then let's look at 94 and 95. 94, excuse me, and 93. Sorry, I gave the answer out. So okay, if we look, here we go. So now we've gotten down to what our real problem is. We need to come up with a test to find remainders of 4 and 3, because we just discovered because we're going to round at 99 and 98 and 94 and 93, and for any 10s, and our remainders are constantly 4 and 3. So let's stop right here and we'll pick up right from here on the next video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button. Most important, that notification bell. And we'll see you guys shortly. Thanks.